Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best wireless phone chargers. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Hotfire Wireless Charging Kit Qi Wireless Charger Pad Receiver. Technology is getting increasingly thrilling. Charging a smartphone in recent times is simple without the need to have tangling wires. One of the satisfactory wireless chargers you may get is the only from the hot half. It makes use of Qi generation, hence perfect on your charging your Apple cell phone. Unlike different chargers, this enables fast charging. Due to the upgrading, the tool provides 5V2A input and 5V1A output, hence efficient functioning. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Kusda Qi iPhone Wireless Charger Kit. There is not any need to take probabilities with your telephones by means of the use of reasonably priced wireless chargers. The Kusda iPhone Wireless Charging Pad and Receiver is all you want. Designed by using professionals, this kit gives most efficient charging. Dedicated to iPhones, the charger is likewise ideal for use with different brands like Nokia, Samsung, among different Qi-enabled phones. If you are charging, the charger offers you a peace of mind. There is no slipping because of an anti-slip pad. Additionally, the circuit protection protects the cell phone from electricity-associated damages. At number 3, we have the Meter.llc Qi Wireless Charger for iPhones and Android. When journeying, it is easy to carry this charger. The compact layout and lightweight production make it perfect to carry on your bag. Additionally, the firm grip guarantees that smartphone can't fall and also prevents the development of scratches. Unlike a few chargers which come with blinking lights, Meter.llc is great. It is geared up with cool LED signs which display the charging repute or when in standby. For safety, it protects smartphones from beneath overcharges and short circuits. CE, RoHS, and FC certify this charger. At number 2, we have the ElleSye 3-coil QI wireless charging stand pad. When in need of a standard wireless charger, ElleSye isn't super wager. It is a product designed to be like-minded with a variety of device for immediate charging. Unlike others which come with 2 coils, this has 3 coils which improve its ability to afford huge sensing area charging variety. Further, they allow telephone charging in any path, horizontal or vertical. Designed providing Qi technology, the charger senses Qi-enabled gadgets mechanically. It has a quick response and presents a well-known charging pace. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pleson PLSWRC 400 wireless charger. A dependable charger is notable for permitting speedy charging. Pleson Wi-Fi chargers are recognized to be credible and speedy charging. The Pleson PLSWRC 400 is certainly one of which you could rely on to charge a smartphone in less than 230 hours. This offers the capacity to deliver 1.4 instances than regular Wi-Fi chargers. Moreover, with an ability to be well matched with numerous instances, the device can price a spread of telephones. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this wireless phone chargers, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.